California just made it easier for riders to access public trails. We got brand new upgrades for the Can-Am Defender HD11, Polaris Ranger XD1500, Kawasaki Teryx H2, and much more, plus upcoming rides and events you don't want to miss. We've got a packed show today, so let's get right into it. The Fast Friday Offroad Report, episode 16, starts right now.
Fast Friday Offroad Report.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another edition of the Fast Friday Offroad Report. I'm JT with Team FAS Motorsports, and every week we bring you the latest off-road product releases, industry news, upcoming events, and everything happening in the world of UTVs, ATVs, and outdoor recreation. I hope everyone had a great 4th of July and had a chance to spend some time with family, friends, maybe hit the trails, get out on the lake. Thanks everyone who watched our special holiday episode and supported Team FAS Motorsports. We got a lot to cover today, so let's get right into the new products. S3 Powersports has officially released its long travel suspension kit for the Can-Am Defender HD11. Designed for riders looking to take their Defender beyond the job site, the kit significantly increases suspension travel and widens the machine stance for improved stability, handling, and off-road performance. Whether you're tackling tough trails, higher speed terrain, or simply looking for a smoother ride, the long travel system is built to give the Defender more capability while maintaining the strength and durability S3 is known for. It's another example of how manufacturers continue to push utility side-by-sides beyond work applications and into serious rec and adventure riding. DRT has expanded its lineup for the Polaris Ranger XD1500 with 3 new accessories designed for riders who use their machines for work, recreation, and overlanding. The new products include a heavy-duty front winch bumper, a chase rack tire accessory, and an in-bed vertical spare tire carrier. The front bumper provides added front-end protection while accommodating for a winch, making it a great upgrade for riders who venture into remote areas or challenging terrain. Anyone needing extra storage, chase rack, tire rack, and vertical tire carrier offer secure ways to carry a full-size spare without sacrificing valuable cargo space. As more manufacturers continue developing parts for the Ranger XD1500, owners are seeing a growing selection of aftermarket upgrades to customize their machines for just about any adventure. PCI Race Radios has introduced the new RaceAir Lock, a magnetic quick connect system for its RaceAir Fresh Air helmets. Instead of wrestling with traditional hose connections, the RaceAir Lock uses a powerful magnetic coupler that creates an airtight seal while allowing the hose to quickly disconnect whenever you need to get in or out of your machine. The system is designed to make driver changes faster, improve convenience on the trail, and provide an added level of safety by acting as a breakaway connection in the event of an emergency. For riders using PCI's RaceAir Fresh Air systems, it's a simple upgrade that makes a noticeable difference every time you hit the trails or race course. Rough Country has released several new products aimed at hunters and utility UTV owners. Leading the lineup are 2 new game loaders designed to make loading deer and other large game, or any load really, into the bed of the side-by-side much easier while reducing strain on lifting loads by hand. Rough Country also introduced a new skid plate kit for the CF Moto U-Force U10 Pro, providing added protection for the underside of the machine when tackling rocky trails, rough terrain, or demanding work sites. These new products continue to show Rough Country expanding beyond traditional suspension upgrades and into more practical accessories for riders who use their machines for hunting, farming, or everyday work. Electric Offroad Designs has expanded its Volt Baja lineup with a new tire rack for the 2026 Kawasaki H2. Designed specifically for the new H2 platform, the rack provides a secure mounting location for a full-size spare tire while maintaining a clean, factory-inspired appearance. For riders tackling long trail rides or remote adventures, carrying a spare tire is one of the best ways to be prepared for unexpected punctures without giving up all that valuable cargo space. As more aftermarket companies continue developing products for Kawasaki's new supercharged side-by-side, owners are seeing a much bigger increase in the number of options to customize and equip their vehicle for any type of ride they do. Highlifter has introduced a new silicone hose riser snorkel kit for the 2025 and newer Gen 3 Can-Am Outlander models. Instead of using traditional rigid snorkel risers, this kit features durable silicone hose construction that's designed to be more flexible and resistant to cracking from impacts or vibration. If you spend your weekends in deep mud or water crossings, having a reliable snorkel system is critical to protecting your engine and CVT from water intrusion. The kit includes the components needed for installation and gives riders another premium option when preparing their machine for these extreme conditions. Also new this week, Seizmik has released a bed rack for the C-Force U10 Pro, giving owners additional cargo mounting options for tools, recovery gear, coolers, and other trail essentials while maximizing bed storage. Now we're going to hop over into industry news. One city in California is making it easier for off-road enthusiasts to legally access their trails. The city of Needles has officially opened its off-highway motor vehicle route network as part part of a pilot program designed to safely connect riders from designated staging areas directly to nearby Bureau of Land Management trails. The city has created approximately 9.2 miles of approved OHV routes through town, allowing licensed and properly registered off-highway vehicles to travel between staging areas, local businesses, hotels, restaurants, and trail access points. Riders must stay on designated routes, obey a 35-mile-per-hour speed limit, carry a valid driver's license, registration, insurance, and helmets are, of course, required where applicable. City officials say the program was created to improve safety, reduce illegal riding on undesignated streets, and help support local tourism by making it easier for visitors to access fuel, food, lodging, and other services without loading the machines back onto a trailer. It's another example of communities recognizing the economic impact the off-road recreation community has, when managed responsibly, and how much money these towns and communities can bring in. So it'll be interesting to see how many more towns across the country start and begin to adopt much similar plans. I know a lot of places here on the East Coast, as well as the Midwest, already have plans in place, and it's just great to see that more towns are taking advantage of it. The Special Team Equipment Market Association, better known as SEMA, has announced an expanded focus on power sports at the 2026 SEMA show. The organization is creating a larger dedicated area for side-by-sides, motorcycles, ATVs, overlanding, and lifestyle brands, reflecting the continued growth of the off-road industry. It's another sign that manufacturers are investing heavily into the power sports market, and we expect to see even more innovation and new product launches in the months ahead. Upcoming events. Our first event takes us to West Enfield, Maine, where Cruising the World Food Tour is happening Sunday, July 12th. This unique ride combines scenic ATV trails with stops at local restaurants and businesses throughout the day, making it a great way to explore the area while supporting local communities. If you're looking for something to do that's different than your normal ride, this one's definitely worth checking out. Then on Saturday, July 18th, head over to the Towpath Restaurant and Lodge in Turin, New York for the annual ATV scavenger hunt. Registration runs from 8 to 11 a.m., and participants can enjoy a full day of riding while searching for clues along the trail. The event also features 50-50 drawings, door prizes, cash prizes, and live entertainment from Tony Longtoes from 4 to 7 p.m. Our final event takes us back to West Enfield, Maine, where the Coldstream Cruisers will host their Ride for the Cure charity ATV ride on Saturday, July 26th. This annual event raises money for a great cause while bringing riders together for a fun day on the trails. If you're in the New England area later this month, it's a great opportunity to hit the trails while supporting a great cause. As always, if your club or organization has an upcoming ride, fundraiser, or off-road event you'd like featured on a future episode of the Fast Friday Off-Road Report, send us the details through Facebook Messenger or email them to teamfas@hotmail.com before midnight on Wednesday, and we'll do our best to get it included. Now it's time for this week's question of the week. We want to hear from you. What's one aftermarket upgrade you've purchased that was worth every penny? For me, I'd have to say a quality windshield and the right set of tires for the type of terrain that you're going to ride are pretty much at the top of the list, as well as a good set of harnesses. I've gone through this before. Both can completely transform your riding experience and are upgrades that you'll appreciate every time you hit the trails. Now it's your turn. Let us know your answer down in the comments below. We always enjoy reading your responses, and your answer might even be featured in a future episode of the Fast Friday Off-Road Report. If you have any questions about the products covered today, or if you're looking for parts and accessories for your machine, be sure to visit teamfasmotorsports.com, send us a message on Facebook, or give us a call at 914-799-5558. Remember, we have access to more than 750 off-road brands, so even if you don't see what you're looking for on our website, there's a good chance we can still get it for you. And before we wrap up, don't forget to check out our official Team FAS Motorsports merchandise at fasmerch.shop. We've added some great new designs, so if you'd like to support the channel and represent Team FAS both on and off the trails, we'd really appreciate it. If you enjoyed today's episode, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a future Fast Friday Off-Road Report. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great weekend. Stay safe, and we'll see you out on the trails.
Fast Friday Off-Road Report. Fast Friday Off-Road Report.